Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for product comparisons. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two advanced drones that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. In one corner, we have the Bwine F7GB2 drones, and in the other corner, we have the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one reigns supreme. Let's start with the price. The Bwine F7GB2 drones are priced at $619, while the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone comes in at a slightly higher price of $699. Although there's a price difference, both drones offer exceptional features that make them worth considering. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities. The Bwine F7GB2 drones are equipped with a 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a 120 degrees field of view. It also features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 5x digital zoom for stable and versatile shots. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone boasts a detachable 4K video camera with a 120 degrees field of view and a larger comms sensor. It also comes with a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom. Both drones offer impressive camera features, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial footage. Flight time is always an important factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with 2 intelligent batteries that provide a total flight time of up to 50 minutes. It's recommended to use a 5V 3A or 5V 2A wall charger for optimal performance. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone comes with 3 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, offering a total flight time of 75 minutes. Charging the batteries can take around 6 to 7 hours. With longer flight times, both drones allow you to capture more footage without interruptions. When it comes to flying in different weather conditions, wind resistance plays a crucial role. The Bwine F7GB2 drones feature low-noise brushless motors and level 6 wind resistance, ensuring a quieter and steadier flight experience. Similarly, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is equipped with built-in 1806 brushless motors, compass, gyroscope, barometer, and has also passed a 6-level wind resistance test. Both drones can handle windy conditions and provide stable footage. Now let's explore the GPS features of these drones. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with intelligent GPS-assisted features, such as GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints. With GPS auto-return, the drone will automatically return home when the signal is lost or the battery is low. The Bwine F7 GPS camera drone also offers GPS-assisted features, including automatic return, following you, flying along a set path, and circling a specific point. With these GPS functionalities, you can have peace of mind while flying your drone. Both drones offer additional features that enhance your drone flying experience. The Bwine F7GB2 drones provide an extended video transmission range of up to 3 kilometers, 9,800 feet, ensuring crisp images and smooth video. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone allows you to share your FPV view with one click via the app, as well as retouch your photos and videos with filters and background music. These additional features add a touch of creativity to your aerial footage. According to online reviews, the Bwine F7GB2 drones are considered great and fun to use, although some reviewers mention issues with the Wi-Fi connection. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone is praised for its usability, quality construction, and ease of operation. It is recommended for beginners and intermediate flyers. It's time to wrap up our comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the Bwine F7 GPS camera drone. Both drones offer impressive camera capabilities, long flight times, wind resistance, GPS features, and additional functionalities. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Whichever drone you choose, you'll be taking your aerial photography and videography skills to new heights. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.